Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am back. Temporarily. Umkhokha, the curse. Okay. Who do you blame between the two? Because I'm confused. Who do you blame between the two, right? Usabelo was going to protect Gabisile's life, right? But the question is, who threw the sword in the first place for the situation to end up being where it is? Yasmina, like really angithandika. So, all right. Unomafu nokhathazile babhizi bayashashata sharp iyahamba i-conversation ke-shashwathing skamolkamo ne. Okay, basalishashwatha uyangena malume hey niphethe amafoni ayingadla ama-i60 something iphelela ngani i-iPhone. Guys, I don't own an iPhone. I don't know iPhone what Pro Max. Anibona ukuthi kwenzakalani ethempelini lenkosi mabathi nasi isimo kubi kuraf kuwaw kwenzakala izinto ezingamelanga zenzakale we ethempelini lenkosi. Now Sabelo had to lose his life. May Sabelo's soul rest in peace. However, the saddest part of everything is that no one is taking accountability. No one is saying, this is me. When the police are asking, everything happened in such a rush, we did not see much, and. When they are asking, they're throwing Uspamandla under the bus. And at this point, I believe, if this thing goes to court, or if there's anybody that has to be arrested, it will be Awazamqolo, because at this point he is the leader of the church and he is the one that needs to take accountability when it comes to this situation. Guys, do you think ukuthi umthembu uzo intervene and ukhulekani will pay, or ukhulekani something will happen, or do you think ukuthi vele nje izovela ihambele lento le kube wafa khohlakala nokuthi kwenzakalani? Mina personally, I don't want to lie. I don't watch umkhokha ngibukela ngelihle liwani yazini, because I just do not like the siblings fighting. That's a storyline that I never thought ukuthi one would have to sign up for, but this is where the story is. And ukhulekani right now, I think ukuthi uzamqolo makamtshela ukuthi the blood yakasabelo is in your hands. It hit him hard. Will this situation make ukhulekani a better man, or will things escalate and blow out of proportion even worse?